Hey everyone, welcome back to Dream Heels Tips. If you've ever slipped into a pair of high heels and felt that instant sense of ease mixed with elegance, this one's for you. Today, we're talking about the secret appeal of slip-on high heels. Let's dive in. Slip-on high heels possess a quiet magnetism that more complicated styles often lack. These are the shoes you simply slide into. No buckles, no straps to fasten, no complicated closures. The most common form is the classic mule, but the category includes any elevated design that relies on the natural shape of the foot and the structure of the shoe to stay in place. Their appeal is not loud. It is precise, practical, and deeply elegant all at once. The first secret is ease. In a world of complicated footwear, the ability to step into a high heel and walk away without adjustment feels almost luxurious. There is no fumbling at the ankle, no tightening of straps, no waiting for buckles to settle. The shoe accepts the foot, and the foot accepts the shoe. This simplicity creates an immediate sense of readiness. Fashion lovers appreciate objects that remove friction from getting dressed, and slip-on high heels do that exactly. The moment is effortless, yet the result is elevated. That same openness creates a distinctive visual effect. Because the back of the heel remains free, the natural curve of the Achilles and the soft skin above it stay visible. The foot appears longer, the ankle looks finer. The transition from shoe to leg feels uninterrupted. When the heel is high and slender, the entire lower body gains an elongated line that closed or heavily strapped shoes often interrupt. The eye travels smoothly upward, and the silhouette becomes cleaner. This is one of the reasons slip-on styles photograph so well, and why they continue to appear on runways and red carpets year after year. Confidence arrives differently with these shoes. Straps and buckles can feel secure, but they also create a sense of being fastened in. Slip-on high heels require a different kind of trust between the foot and the shoe, and between the wearer and her own balance. Walking in them demands awareness and control. The foot must press slightly forward to keep the shoe in place, engaging the arch and the toes. That subtle engagement changes posture. Shoulders settle, the spine lengthens, and the walk becomes more deliberate. The confidence feels earned rather than given, and that quality is quietly powerful. The sensual dimension of slip-on high heels is subtle but consistent. With the heel exposed and the foot free at the back, every step reveals a small rhythmic movement. The slight lift and return of the heel, the flex of the arch, the way the toes settle into the front of the shoe, all of it remains visible. When the toes are carefully finished and the skin is smooth, the shoe becomes a frame rather than a covering. The contrast between the sharp line of a high heel and the soft openness of the design creates a lasting impression. It is refined rather than obvious, and that restraint is part of the attraction. Versatility is another quiet strength. Slip-on high heels move easily between settings. A nude pair disappears under trousers or a flowing dress while still delivering height. A black patent version turns an evening look sharper. Metallic or textured finishes add interest without requiring additional straps or hardware. Because the design is so clean, the shoes adapt to the outfit rather than competing with it. Fashion lovers value this kind of flexibility, especially when the same pair can serve both day and night with only a change of clothing. There is also a psychological comfort in the ritual of putting them on. Sliding the foot forward, feeling the heel settle into place, taking the first few steps to test the fit, these small actions create a moment of transition. The day or evening shifts the instant the shoes are on. Many women describe the sensation as both grounding and elevating at the same time. The shoe does not lock the foot in, it invites the foot to participate. That partnership is part of the secret. History supports their enduring presence. From early mules worn indoor to modern interpretations on the runway, the slip-on high heel has repeatedly returned because it solves a simple problem elegantly. how to raise the body while keeping the design open and unencumbered. Designers continue to refine the proportions, the materials, and the balance, but the core idea remains the same. The shoe stays on through shape and intention rather than fasteners. Ultimately, the secret appeal of slip-on high heels lies in the balance they strike. They offer height without complexity, exposure without excess, and confidence without effort. They ask something of the wearer: balance, awareness, a certain poise, and in return, they deliver a cleaner silhouette, a more intentional walk, and a quiet sense of readiness. For those who understand the language of shoes, that exchange is more than enough. The appeal is not hidden, it is simply understated, and that is precisely why it lasts. That's it for today's Dream Heels tips. If you enjoyed this, give the video a like, drop a comment telling me your favorite pair of slip-on high heels, and of course, subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss a new tip. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Keep those heels dreamy.